Hi friends, I'm making a Waldorf salad today with few dry fruits, and the main ingredients are the pineapple, pears and apple. Now in this I have boiled a pineapple because I am going to use cream based dressing. So for that I have to boil the pineapple. If you don't boil the pineapple, it will get bitter. So remember this, that do not use fresh pineapple with any milky milk products, otherwise it will get bitter. So these are the fruits: pear, apples and pineapple. Make a little big pieces. This is a wonderful salad to have in the summer, and the ingredients for the rest of the salad, for the Waldorf salad, is the hung curd, which I have done it in the evening. I have put it in a muslin cloth, the curd in the muslin cloth, and hung it, and the texture is like this. Okay, so the hung curd, then there is a cream, fresh cream, which is again I have left it in the freezer for about 15 minutes to get a thicker cream on the top. Then I have used prunes and apricots, then walnuts of course, and honey, a little pepper, a little the celery. It gives a little zing in the salad, and just to spread the pepper flakes, red pepper flakes. Okay, so now we do the process. So first we churn this into a nice smoothie texture. So this is the hung curd. I'm churning it into a soft and silky paste, adding cream in it. See the texture. The texture has become nice and creamy. Now we'll add the seasoning. So the pepper, a salt, then honey to sweeten it. You can add as much as you want to make it sweet as per your taste. So we mix this. Everything is nicely blended. Now we'll add some celery into it and just give it a nice mix. And add to the fruits. You can add a little fruit juice if you need to make it little runny, but after a little while the salt and all makes this dressing a little runny also. So I don't think you need a fruit juice. See, so all the fruits are well blended in the cream. And now we'll add some apricots just to give a little nice color, some prunes, chopped prunes, walnuts, and we'll give it a nice mix. Now I'm plating it up in a serving dish. So now I have plated up to be ready to be served. So just sprinkle with the apricots, some prunes, and just a little sprinkle of red chili flakes, and a little, to just give a color, some cabbage on the top, red cabbage on the top. So this is the Waldorf salad, which is ready to be served.